Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell on KuCoin. First, let's get your account set up. You'll need to register with your email or phone, then complete identity verification. This step is crucial for increasing your transaction limits and ensuring your account's security. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. It's a simple process that keeps your assets safe. Once your account is ready, it's time to fund it. You can easily deposit cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange you might use. Alternatively, you can buy crypto directly on KuCoin using a credit or debit card, or even through a bank transfer. For more flexibility, explore the peer-to-peer or P2P trading options to use your local currency. Now, let's buy some crypto. The Buy Crypto feature allows for quick purchases using fiat currency. For more control, you can place a spot trade order. You'll have options like a market order for immediate execution at the current price, a limit order to set your desired price, or a stop limit order for advanced strategies. It's straightforward to get started. When you're ready to sell, KuCoin makes it easy. You can sell your cryptocurrency directly for fiat currency through several convenient methods. Just like buying, you can also place a spot trade order to sell your assets at your preferred price. After selling, you can withdraw your funds directly to a bank account or transfer them to an external crypto wallet. It's a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.